We are ready to write our first Java program. Just like we write essay using some kind of word editor, we need a text editor to write our code. I'm going to download Notepad++, which is a common text editor that developers use. Notepad++ is a tool that we will use to write our Java programs. In the command line is the tool that will help us build and run our program. With Notepad++ downloaded, we can open up a new window and write some code. So I'm going to click on Files and create a new file here, and in this file I will start writing my first Java program. How do we write a Java program? Java is a verbose programming language, so there is some boilerplate code that we add with every program. When we say verbose, we mean that there are a lot of words we have to write compared to other programming languages in order to get a simple program to work. For beginners, I think this is a good thing because it reveals concepts you may not have known, and it makes what you are trying to do very verbosely clear. Every Java program has to have a class, and in fact all Java code must be inside a class. We will talk more about classes later in this course, but we will be creating a class and calling it Hello World. We will write public class Hello World, the name of our class, and then open and close curly braces. The idea of Hello World is a bit of tradition in computer science when you are first learning a new language or framework or technology. All you want to do is make the program output Hello World, and that is exactly what we will be doing in this lesson. Let's put some code in between the curly braces. We will write public static void main. String arguments, and then open and close curly braces. This may look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. All we need to know about this piece of code is that it's called the main function, and it's the entry point to our program. This means any code I put between the inner curly braces will be executed by the program. Everything we have written so far is boilerplate, or stuff we must have for any Java program to run. The thing that will make our program unique is what we add in those curly braces. As we said before, we want our program to output a hello world statement. We can do that by adding the following line of code. We will write system.out.println, and I will write hello world, it's me, Aman Garg. The system.out.println portion gets us access to the outputting or printing functionality of Java, and in between the parentheses we write what we want to output. In this case, hello, it's me, Aman Garg. You might be wondering what public means and how it relates to Java, but that is out of the scope of this introductory course. We will talk about what void and static means in later chapter. With our course done, we will save this file by clicking and then save. So I will be saving it in the desktop folder in projects. So I will name my file hello worlds.java. We are giving .java extension because it is a Java file. Java convention requires the file name to be the same as the class name. So make sure the file name and the class name matches. You can save this anywhere you had like on your computer. We are going to be saving it to projects folder on my desktop. Alright, let's execute and run the Java program.